There was a young lady upset that she spent $700 of school clothes for her child. Here's the video.
Okay, I spent $700 on my son's back to school clothes, and I could have sworn I was going to have more things than this. Look at this. Look at this. Okay, I got him 2 pairs of sweats, and I was only able to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shirts. So 6 shirts and 2 pairs of sweats are equals $700. I'm confused.
All right. So you have a young lady that's upset with the fact that she spent $700 for about 8 pieces of clothing. Some sweats and some freaking t-shirts. So you're telling me you spent almost $90 for every single last one of those. Well, if you divide that, right, about $90 a piece for those items of clothing. 6 shirts and 2 pairs of sweats. I don't know if this young lady is trolling. I don't know if she's just that freaking smart or what the heck is going on, man. So before I get into judging people, y'all know we always try to do just a little bit of research, because I think that your digital footprint is everything. I think that people are going to tell on themselves oftentimes on the internet because of the stuff that they post. Again, your digital footprint is very, very important. So we took a look at this young lady's profile on TikTok, right? And lo and behold, it told us everything that we needed to know, right? So this young lady used to work for Burlington Coat Factory. You can go and ball out in Burlington for $700. Like, you can probably get, like maybe 10, 15 outfits, maybe even more than that. Like, if you really look and dig through those clothing items, depending on, where you go, shop around, you can get a buttload of outfits for $700, right? So you're telling me you used to work there and now you are banned. That lets us know right now, character flaw number 1. So I continue to look and I've seen the bonnet crew, all right? Anytime that I see any individual that is okay with, or they think it's okay to get online with the mother freaking bonnet, character flaw number 2. And then I scrolled a little bit more. I was like, all right, I'm done. But before I get out of here, let me just scroll one more time, and I found a video of this young lady crying. And I'm thinking to myself, first of all, who cries? Who cuts on a freaking camera, cries, and makes a video about it, right? Second, what is she crying about? So, y'all, this young lady was crying over a freaking cartoon. After seeing that, man, that let me know everything that I need to know about this young lady. And I don't think anything else honestly needs to be said. So $90 per clothing item, and you couldn't find anything cheaper than that. Come on, man. These are your heroes. But y'all let me know. What do you guys think in the comments about this, man? Do y'all think that this young lady, maybe I might be tripping, you know what I mean? Listen, I'm open to the possibility I'm wrong. Maybe clothing items have gotten that expensive and I'm just a little bit out of touch. I'm open to it, but y'all let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and I'm gonna chop it up with you guys later. Peace.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up, tan skin, mixed race, buttercup, Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna, whoa.